Hi, this is Christian, and today I'd like to show you how to make a simple side-scrolling game with Quicksand. So at first we're going to drag our graphics into the stage. We're going to have a background as well as a few obstacles and a balloon, which is our player. Now we open up the JavaScript for our scene and launch the preview. And we add some code to move the camera. And we do the same thing for the balloon to move that as well. And we also changed the speed, and as you can see, the preview picks up the changes immediately. Next up, we're going to set a parameter on our balloon object when the scene gets touched and also when the touch ends. We also create a script for the balloon, and we add some code to move it up when we touch the screen. We can make sure that it works in the preview, and then we let the balloon sink down while we're not touching the screen, and again quickly check if it works as expected. We can do a bit of fine-tuning and make sure that the balloon doesn't sink too deep. And also let it move up a bit quicker than sinking down. Let's see if the HTML5 version works as well in Chrome. That looks pretty good. Next, we're going to create a new script and hook it up to all obstacle objects. In the script, we set up a tag that we're going to use for collision detection. Now we are creating two actions. First, an action that fades the balloon out, and second, an action that calls a function called restart. Next, we create this function and let it restart the scene. As the final step, we run both actions in sequence so that it only restarts the game once the balloon has fully faded out. We also create a new parameter called alive, which we use to make sure we only fade out the balloon and restart the scene once, and to ignore moving the balloon once it has collided. In the scene.js, we can also freeze the camera while the balloon is fading out. As you can see here, our demo also runs as expected in Chrome and also on iOS and Android.